Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the top 5 highlights of the Renault Triber subcompact MPV. The Renault Triber is an under 4 meter compact MPV which was launched in the year 2019. Since launch, the Renault Triber has been incredibly successful, claiming to provide great value for money along with innovative space and flexibility options. So now let's get into the top 5 highlights. The first reason is the looks. Despite being a budget-focused under 4 meter MPV, the Renault Triber is not compromised in terms of looks, with proper MPV proportions similar to the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, while also having some clever design elements so as to make it look more appealing. The front fascia gets the typical Renault signature design, with the grille resembling that of the Renault Kwid, flanked by the nicely detailed headlamps, which get projector units as standard from the entry-level variant itself. While all-round body cladding with wheel arches are standard across all variants, silver-finished front and rear skid plates are available only on the top-spec RXZ variant. While the Renault Triber does not get front fog lamps on any variant, the top-spec RXZ variant alone gets LED DRLs. It is from the side that you can notice the stepped roof design, which liberates more space for the third-row seats, quite similar to that seen on the Tata Safari or the Mahindra Scorpio. And just like those SUVs, the top-spec RXT and RXZ variants also get roof rails, which are made of aluminium and are functional. While the lower-spec variants get 14-inch steel wheels with wheel covers, it is only the top-spec RXZ variant which gets 15-inch stylized steel wheels with 185 section tires. The rear fascia of the Renault Triber, though being very boxy, gets some nice design elements including the split tail lamp-like design, the chrome Triber badging, and the dual-tone rear bumper. The second significant point of the Renault Triber is the interior space and flexibility. Being an under 4 meter compact MPV, the Triber is significantly shorter than the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, which is more than 4.3 meters in length. Despite that, the Renault Triber still offers almost as much comfort and space, even for the third-row passengers. The layered dashboard design layout is practical, while also being very user-friendly. The higher-spec RXT and RXZ variants also get dual glove boxes, apart from the cool storage box in the center console. Storage options aside, it is the seating configuration options on the Renault Triber that makes it an incredibly groundbreaking product. All variants come as standard with the sliding, reclining and foldable second-row seats, with one-touch tumble-down function for the left side second-row seat, to provide easy ingress and egress into the third row. While the third row seats themselves have 50-50 split folding function, they also can be completely removed to provide 625 liters of luggage capacity. That said, if the third row seats are occupied, then the luggage space is limited at just 84 liters. In terms of seating comfort, the Renault Triber does not disappoint, with both the second and third row seats getting standard adjustable headrests despite not getting a center armrest. With the third row seats unoccupied, the second row can be slid all the way back, providing great amount of legroom for chauffeur-driven people. And even if there are people in the third row, the second row can be adjusted to a perfect position, providing adequate kneeroom for the third row passengers, with the third row itself being decently comfortable with decent under-thigh support. These flexibility and seating configuration options make the Renault Triber a genuine 7-seater, unlike some other more expensive 7-seaters. The third biggest highlight of the Renault Triber is the number of features. As we all know, the Renault Triber is available in 4 variants, namely the RXE, RXL, RXT and the RXZ. As mentioned earlier, the entry-level RXE variant itself offers all the configuration and flexibility options as standard along with adjustable headrests for the second row and third row seats. Other standard features include projector headlamps, front power windows, front row air conditioning, along with the dual-tone interior color theme. The second-level RXL variant adds 14-inch steel wheel covers, body-colored ORVMs and door handles, a single DIN audio system with 2 speakers and Bluetooth connectivity, remote central locking, a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, rear AC vents for the second row and third row, and a cooled storage box in the center console. The third-level RXT variant additionally offers roof rails, all 4 power windows with electrically adjustable ORVMs, day-night switchable IRVM, a secondary glove box on the dashboard, along with LED turn indicators on the ORVMs and steering-mounted audio controls, which were added as a part of the recent update. The highest spec RXZ variant adds 15-inch stylized steel wheels, LED DRLs at the front, silver-finished front and rear skid plates, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, silver-finished design elements on the dashboard, fabric padding on the door armrests, smart key access with push-button start, the same 7-inch touchscreen system with reverse parking camera, auto up and down function for the driver power window, along with the newly added height-adjustable driver seat and the steering-mounted audio controls. While not offering a lot of fancy features, the Renault Triber still offers quite a bit of essential equipment from the mid-spec variant itself, with the top-spec variants being significantly well loaded. Next up is the fourth significant talking point of the Renault Triber, which is safety. Despite being a budget MPV, even the entry-level RXE variant of the Renault Triber offers dual airbags, ABS with EBD, load limiter with pre-tensioner-equipped front seat belts, along with reverse parking sensors. The RXL variant adds remote central locking, while the top-spec RXZ variant alone provides 4 airbags including the side thorax airbags, while also adding a reverse parking camera and smart key access with push button start. It is also worth noting that the Renault Triber, despite being a budget MPV, has scored a 4-star crash test rating at the global NCAP crash tests, which is significantly better than the larger Maruti Suzuki Ertiga and some other more expensive cars as well. Finally comes the powertrain of the Renault Triber. The Renault Triber, being a budget family MPV, comes with one modest petrol engine. The 1-litre 3-cylinder Energy Series petrol engine produces 72 PS of maximum power and 96 Nm of maximum torque through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT gearbox available on the RXL, RXT and RXZ variants alone. While this engine may not be so powerful on paper, it is adequate for the Renault Triber, even with 7 people on board, given the fact that this is not a heavy and large MPV. However, Renault India is expected to launch a turbocharged engine option on the Renault Triber with the 100 PS 3-cylinder turbocharged engine from the Renault Kiger. If we were to add a 6th point to the Renault Triber, that would be its pricing and value for money factor. The Renault Triber manual range starts from Rs 5.3 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 7.15 lakh ex-showroom for the RXZ top spec variant. The AMT variants, on the other hand, starts from Rs 6.5 lakh ex-showroom for the RXL AMT, going all the way up to Rs 7.65 lakh for the top spec RXZ AMT. At these prices, the Renault Triber is incredibly great value for money, while providing more space and flexibility options than any other compact sedan. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Renault Triber compact MPV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.